Every day, we are going to do a new 10-minute morning yoga stretch class. Each of them are themed a little bit differently, and each class works with a different affirmation. So an affirmation is just a positive statement that you say to yourself in the present tense, and it's meant to inspire you, to empower you, and to really help you set the tone for the day ahead. This challenge is suitable for all levels. And again, all you need is just 10 minutes. I know it's not realistic for some of us to be doing 30 minutes, 45 minutes, or 60 minutes of yoga every single day. I'm honestly in that same boat, but 10 minutes is very, very doable. 30 days, 10 minutes of morning yoga every single day, paired with affirmations to help you set the tone for the day ahead and to start with positivity, with a calm, centered mind, with productivity, and by putting your health first. This is really a journey that you do for your own self-care, for your own well-being. So when we fill up our cups, we are better able to help and serve the people around us.